You're welcome to Perceive Science. We are taking up today human heart, its structure and double circulation. So, starting up with human heart. As you all know, it is located in the center of chest but a bit towards the left side. So we commonly say that heart is located on the left side of the human body and it is joined through arteries and veins with the other organs and tissues of the body, and with the blood it pumps oxygen and food to rest of the body and the tissues. So basically it's a pumping organ of the body. So students, now you know that humans are developed organisms amongst other many organisms there, and their daily oxygen requirement is higher as compared to the lower organisms. So nature has provided them with a heart with four chambers, two parts, one part to carry oxygenated blood and the other to carry deoxygenated blood. Now the upper part on the left side of the heart is left auricle and the lower part is left ventricle. Now oxygenated blood flows through the left side of the heart, left auricle and left ventricle. On the right side of the heart, the upper part is known as the right auricle and the lower part is known as the right ventricle. Now, the right side carries deoxygenated blood that reaches to the right side from the rest of the body after the body cells and tissues consume the oxygen present in the blood. Now students, let's have a look at the detailed diagram of heart where you can see many other parts besides the left and right atrium and left and right ventricles. The first part I'm going to introduce you is the pulmonary vein. The oxygenated blood from both the lungs enters the pulmonary vein and this brings the heart the oxygenated blood at left atrium. Now, the left atrium pumps the blood to the lower part of the heart, the left ventricle. Now, it's the job of the left ventricle to pump the blood into aorta for the supply of the blood to the rest of the part of body, where the body parts get all the oxygen and the food required to perform different functions and to sustain life. After the blood is used up by the cells and the tissues of the body, the blood gets deoxygenated. Now, this deoxygenated blood from the upper and lower parts of body enter the right atrium through superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. When the blood enters the right atrium, it pumps the blood down to the right ventricle. Right ventricle again pumps the blood into the pulmonary arteries, where the blood is sent to be oxygenated again. Now we found that the left side of the heart was carrying oxygenated blood all the time and the right side of the heart was carrying the deoxygenated blood which was sent to both the lungs through pulmonary artery. Now students, as we all know that left side of the heart now carries the oxygenated blood and the right one carries the deoxygenated blood, and there is present a thick muscular wall in the center of the heart which doesn't allow both types of bloods to mix. Now, as you can see in the diagram, the left side of the heart is carrying the oxygenated blood to the capillaries in the body organs apart from the lungs. And when this blood is used up, it gets deoxygenated and carries the deoxygenated blood to the right side of the heart, to the right atrium and then to the right ventricle, which then push it to the lungs. So dear students, as you can see, the two types of blood doesn't mix in the heart and it moves in the heart twice. This phenomena of moving the blood through the heart twice is known as double circulation. The oxygenated blood moves to the body from the heart and then the deoxygenated blood is again brought to the heart, which pumps it to the lungs to be oxygenated again, and further the oxygenated blood is brought back to the heart. This increases the efficiency of the organisms. So dear students, I hope you all are very much clear with the structure and the double circulation of heart. Thank you.